How to back up WhatsApp messages. Open the WhatsApp app. Click on three dots at the top. Click on Settings. In the Settings, select Chats. Scroll down. Click on Chat Backup. You have to do these settings first. Select Backup Time. I selected only when I tap Backup. Now you have to select Google account to create backup. Choose Account. Turn on the backup. Also on the Include Videos option if you want. Click on Backup. Once 100%, your messages will be back up to your drive. That's how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. That's all from today. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you can never miss out any update.